Hi everyone. Welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design. Today I'll show you how the Trim Entities tool works in SolidWorks, and more specifically what happens when you use Keep Trimmed Entities as Construction Geometry and Ignore Trimming of Construction Geometry. Many people don't pay attention to these tools, but they can be very useful. We'll use a simple example with two intersecting circles so you can clearly see the difference. First, start with the basic sketch. On the screen, I have two circles that intersect each other. At this point, I'll use the Trim Entities tool without enabling either of these options. Keep trimmed entities as construction geometry. Ignore trimming of construction geometry. Now I'll trim the unwanted portions. As you can see, SolidWorks simply removes the trimmed segments. The sketch stays clean, and the deleted parts are gone completely. As you can see, part of the sketch has turned blue. That is, the sketch is not fully defined. Second, keep trimmed entities as construction geometry. Now I'll turn on Keep Trimmed Entities as Construction Geometry. I'll use the same two intersecting circles again and trim one of the overlapping sections. This time, instead of deleting the trimmed portion, SolidWorks converts that trimmed entity into construction geometry. That means the trimmed part is still visible. It changes to a construction line style. It no longer counts as normal sketch geometry. So even though the sketch is trimmed, you still keep the original geometry as a reference. The sketch is black. That is, the sketch is fully defined. This is very useful when you want to preserve the sketch layout but still clean up the profile for modeling. Third, ignore trimming of construction geometry. Now I'll enable Ignore Trimming of Construction Geometry. This setting works differently. Here, SolidWorks will ignore construction geometry when trimming. So if I use the Trim tool across the sketch, the construction geometry is protected. In other words, regular sketch entities can still be trimmed. Construction geometry will stay unchanged. This is helpful when you want to keep reference lines safe while trimming other parts of the sketch. So if your sketch has important construction references, this option prevents them from being accidentally removed. Part of the sketch has turned blue. That is, the sketch is not fully defined. Main difference. So here is the key idea. Keep trimmed entities as construction geometry equals trimmed sketch entities are not deleted. They become construction geometry. Ignore trimming of construction geometry equals existing construction geometry will not be trimmed at all. That is the difference between converting trimmed entities and protecting construction geometry. Conclusion. So that's how the Trim Entities tool works in SolidWorks with these two important options. If you are working with complex sketches, these settings can help you control your geometry much better and keep your design intent clean. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like the video, and support the channel. New videos every week, so don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching 3D Mechanical Design.